Welcome guys. On this tutorial I'll be guiding you on how to play around your mirror entities. Let's get started. So I click on mirror entities. So we have this. We have the entities to mirror and mirror about. For your entities to mirror is what you want to mirror. You select on them. As you can see, I select on these 4 parts and I click on my mirror about. I'm using this construction line as I'm using to make reference to what I want to mirror about. So I click on it and I have this. So this is my initial sketch and this is my mirror. Hope you guys understand the difference. The mirror entities, my mirror about, which is this my construction line here, and this is what I mirrored from left to right. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.